Have you ever wondered what your financial health looks like to potential lenders? Your credit score plays a crucial role in determining your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and even jobs. Today, we're going to dive into the world of credit scores, specifically how to check your Equifax credit score. Imagine you're applying for a mortgage to buy your dream home. A good credit score can mean the difference between securing a favorable interest rate and being denied altogether. But how do you know where you stand? That's where Equifax comes in. Equifax is one of the three major credit reporting agencies in the United States, along with Experian and TransUnion. Your credit score, as reported by Equifax, can significantly impact your financial life. The importance of understanding your credit score. Knowing your credit score is more than just a number, it's a window into your financial habits. A high credit score can open doors to better opportunities, while a low one can limit your options. By understanding how your credit score is calculated and taking steps to improve it, you can achieve your financial goals. Methods to check your Equifax credit score. Directly through Equifax. Equifax.com. Visit Equifax's official website and create an account. You can then access your credit report and score for a fee. Equifax Credit Monitoring. Consider subscribing to Equifax's credit monitoring service, which offers additional features like identity theft protection and alerts for changes to your credit report. AnnualCreditReport.com. Free weekly reports. This government-authorized website allows you to request a free credit report from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion once a week until April 2024. Credit card companies. Online access. Many credit card companies provide access to your credit score through their online portals. Check with your issuer to see if this option is available to you. Credit monitoring services. Third-party providers. There are numerous credit monitoring services available that can provide you with regular updates on your credit score and report. Understanding your credit report. Once you have access to your Equifax credit report, it's essential to understand the information it contains. This includes personal information, your name, address, and other identifying details. Credit history, a list of your past and current credit accounts, including loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. Payment history, a record of your on-time and late payments. Credit inquiries, a list of companies that have requested your credit report. Public records, any bankruptcies, foreclosures, or tax liens associated with you. Improving your credit score. If your credit score isn't where you want it to be, there are steps you can take to improve it. Pay bills on time. Consistent on-time payments are crucial for building a positive credit history. Limit new credit. Opening too many new accounts can negatively impact your credit score. Keep balances low. Try to keep your credit card balances low compared to your credit limits. Dispute errors. If you find any inaccuracies on your credit report, dispute them with the credit reporting agency. Monitor your credit regularly. Keep an eye on your credit report for any suspicious activity. Additional tips. Check your credit regularly. Review your credit report at least once a year to identify any errors or fraudulent activity. Consider credit counseling. If you're struggling with debt, consider seeking professional credit counseling. Be patient. Improving your credit score takes time. Be patient and consistent with your efforts. Checking your Equifax credit score is a crucial step in understanding your financial health. By taking the time to review your credit report and make necessary adjustments, you can improve your creditworthiness and unlock new opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.